Number 10, let's explore the origins of French Bulldogs. Despite the name, kicking off our list at number 10, let's explore the origins of French Bulldogs. Despite the name, these adorable pups didn't start out in the romantic streets of Paris. No, the French Bulldog's journey began across the Channel, in England, during the early 19th century. Well, during the Industrial Revolution, many English lace workers migrated to France in search of better opportunities. And of course, their little bulldogs went with them. The French in their name is a bit of a misnomer.
Like and subscribe.